over yet though. Here come the ball, Caersws into the box, and it's going close, and Tyler Andrews quite happy to take that and pick it up. And we are in injury time, and it looks like another one of those penalties days. Paul Lewis gets a long ball down. Oisin Morris goes the right side of Harry Cottam, and he's got the ball. Gets it across. Oh, chance. Jake Jones. Gary Williams. No, just blocked. Here comes Ben Fisher this time. Puts it wide. Morris again. Morris coming through. Gets a shot. It's deflected in. And Dolgellau have done it. And that's incredible. But this is news, and Dolgellau smash and grab, doesn't matter. They've kept in the whole time. They have played this one the whole time, and Caersws are running out of time to do anything here. Ball forward. Page can't get it. Still the edge. Here comes Dylan Brown. Dylan Brown comes through. Dylan Brown gets the ball across. It's a header. It's saved by Tyler Andrews. To Dennis Bates, and Bates has put the ball down towards the corner flag where Caersws pick it up, and they're trying to put it forward. Gethin Evans in the way, and this is on the verge of historic win for Dolgellau as Caersws put the ball forward. Callum Page under, and he can do things. Page puts it forward, reads Hesden in the box. Hesden with Lewis. Oh, and Dennis Bates comes in, takes the ball off McLaughlin, and that is it! History in the making. Dolgellau Athletic have beaten Caersws. You could call it a smash and grab, but look, they've been in the game the whole time, and Caersws have not taken their chances. And what can you say? I am absolutely breathless. Commiserations to Caersws, but Dolgellau, oh my word.